again, I'd like to thank the Hovers for inviting me to their party this year. I really enjoyed it. Again, it was a good celebration. My first lady, where's my first lady at?
She's probably in
here. First lady, come on. There you go. I got the first lady. We enjoyed all the balls we get to go to. The 60th ever. Your reign as queen, one of the most special. So again, hail to the queen.
Hail to the queen.
And then of course we got the king. Of course, my history tells me he doesn't like the limelight, but he sucked it up. He didn't have leotards on, but they were pretty tight.
No, they got loose.
There you go. There you go. So anyway, another good day, good weather day, good balcony day, and a good king. So hail to the king. I'd love to hear somebody follow that up.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor and Miss First Lady. I appreciate all y'all being here. And I'd like to say again, congratulations to our beautiful queen, Miss Madeline Hover, our wonderful king, Mr. Al, and the court, not the court, the board, Miss Denise, it's up to you. Although you didn't exactly pick him, you kind of stood him for me. And they picked us a great and wonderful board this year. And I just want to tell Miss Denise, before I forget, that I promised her, excuse me, that wasn't inappropriate. I promised her I wasn't going to do anything inappropriate to lose the third toast. This is only number 2. We're going. And then turn everything over. Look, you know, when you look at something like this, I look around and look at this crowd. It really does take a village, and literally our village is Mardi City in the Tri-City area. You know, if you're related to our board, I look at some of the old timers that are here with us today, and I was part of it one time. We can't thank you enough for getting us to this day. To reach a milestone like 60 years doesn't come easy. It took a lot of hard work by a lot of individuals, a lot of families. We can't thank you enough for that. But in the same way, we couldn't do this without our city supporting us in the way they do. All the different departments that have a relation to putting on our event, we can't thank you enough, Lou, for your team, and effort the city of Mardi City does for us. So to the city of Mardi City and Hephaestus, happy Mardi Gras.
First off, I'm really excited for this Mardi Gras season. It's been so fun already. And so I just want to start off by thanking my parents. They've pretty much done everything. And I'd like to thank the board for choosing me. It's been so fun. I want to thank my court. We really did have a lot of overs and neighbors there. So it was really fun. It's so special to have all of them in the court with me. I want to thank my friends for showing up here today. Cheers to y'all. So, ready to have fun today, so happy Mardi Gras.
Happy Mardi Gras.
On top of that, since this is my last one, I like to go some more. All these years, Donna comes up here and I say, hey, what are you today? He said, I'm just carrying the champagne. So he finally gets to be part of the course. So,
I have to say, you know, this has been part of my life since I was a kid. Yeah, my mom always brings me up here. It always makes me feel special, but you know, to actually be a part of it, to have my awesome cousin, my godfather, and all you guys part of it, it's just, it means the world. And you know, this toast in particular, coming up here, always having Mr. Wu. Thank you guys for making it so special. For all the ones that are going to come up and be part of this later, you know, it really is a family event. So, cheers to Hephaestus.
I am going to introduce the Duke. First, our pickup ball worked out first. Mr. Toast is now a citizen. Congratulations. He did come from Houston and he did surprise his wife. His second wife, Diana, is here today to support him. She's seen it all, and they told her. I even had to tell her you can see the temple thing in the back. I felt like maybe I missed it. Anyway, it's all good. Here's our number 1. Our number 2 came from Oklahoma, Mr. Tony. If you're a citizen already, but we still welcome you back. I'm happy to give you up what's going on. Number 3, Mr. Scott Grove. Here, Scott. And you have a wife that was amazing. You have all these connections. Number 4 is Mr. Dan Sanford. Cheers. Cheers. Held Connor up. Good job. Number 5, and then Mr. Cody Ritton, another part of the Hope Plan. And number 6, of course, is our Connor. And if anyone wants to be a Duke, you can contact me immediately. I am a Duke person, so as much as he says it, it's the truth. And who you're next.
do, but here we go. Juliana Hernandez. Emily Price, Gabby Robichaux, Mary Catherine Reggie, Kyle Wilson, and Cindy Wilson. To my maid.
And now a few words from Councilmember Lou Tamborelli.
Well, look, it was a great event. I wasn't there, but I saw all the people and everything going in. You know, thank y'all so much for being part of our city and all. And well, welcome here again. Happy Mardi Gras.
Happy Mardi Gras. Here, here.
Here's to the mayor and the city of Morganton.
Here,
Thank
here.
Can't wait to have my kids up here.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take a picture. So what we need y'all to do is turn around. So while we're downstairs, face down. There's a lot of people here, and then everybody else can kind of get behind. Just try to be in the picture. Yeah. Look, if I don't call Mary Catherine, Mary Michelle, and Emily Price, and Emily Price, Sarah. Dude, it's the pressure. Yeah.
Hi, Miss Christina.
I love all
Good for you. We're the only ones. Can't believe our queen is pregnant.
I know.
Like I got one friend that loves it. She borrowed it 3 times.
Oh, what are we doing?
Okay.
Hey, all right.
Hey.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it. Oh,
Two brains from
I've been
yesterday.
out there when it was raining, I've been out there when it was cold.
Put a coat on today.
Don't work on that, leave the next guy.
Yeah,
Gotta
let
leave
the next
something.
guy with me.
Leave something.
Take over?
I was complaining about the trash truck was a little too loud the other day.
Nice to be here.